Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yeah, this one, special one. In additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, April the 18th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus. Two puzzles remain, the tectonic with 4 stars, and this one. Yeah, this one, publisher has published in this puzzle with 32 printed digits. Wow, this one should be a difficult one, I think. Yeah. But first, this one will be number 6296. Well, 32 printed digits. Again, over the 30 printed digits. And the first row and the last row are printed with all the digits. Well, it's an 8x8 binary puzzle. Okay. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Alright, double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here in this row, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 2 minutes. Again, 2 minutes. Well. Is this very tough? Well, seems it's an easy one, not a difficult one. You need to challenge us, publisher, challenge us. We need more easy binary puzzles, more easies. Well, no, it's a shame that you published this puzzle again. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.